Hello everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe of barbecue rabbit. We're going to marinate it and I'm going to go through with you for all the ingredients that we need for the marination from A to Z to the final product. For this recipe, what we need is 2 kilos of rabbit. Now, you can use 2 full rabbit, but I prefer to use the legs. So, get the legs and cut them from the middle, alright? And also, squeeze 2 lemons and put 10 grams of salt. Toss it well and leave it to set and cure in the fridge for at least 1 hour. After the rabbit set for at least an hour in the refrigerator with curing with the lemon and also with the salt, we're going to mix. I blended it already. It's 10 grams of garlic, 10 grams of ginger and 10 grams of olive oil, okay? And I blended it together. So we're going to throw this in. Okay, we also have 25 milliliters of Sambuca. Okay, we have 14 milliliters of olive oil. Over here I have 4 grams of smoked paprika, okay, 4 grams of yellow curry and also 2 grams of pepper, okay, ground pepper. I mix them together and I'm going to put them in our rabbit. Okay, I have 5 stems of thyme and 1 stem of rosemary. Okay, I'm just going to put everything here, toss it around and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. So we left it 1 hour with the lemon and we also left it 2 hours with this marination. Okay? The smell is amazing. The Sambuca with the rosemary and the thyme, the ginger, the smoked paprika, the curry, and the garlic and the olive oil make it an amazing aroma. Now that the rabbit is marinated, I'm just going to put it onto the barbecue. Perfect. Leave it for 5 minutes and then we turn it around and then we grill it on the other side and then we see how it goes, okay? Now, after cooking for about 5 minutes, I'm going to turn them on the other side and continue grilling until they are cooked. It's very important that you taste the marination during the process of the grilling. I wish you could be here to try, actually not to try, to smell this amazing aroma coming out of this rabbit. Now that we have the rabbit grilling, let's prepare some potatoes. Allegedly, the Maltese potatoes are the best potatoes in the world, especially for fries. they look ready. Nice and juicy. They smell really, really good. Let's see how they taste now. Now that the rabbit is grilled and the Maltese fries are ready, we're just going to put a little bit of rosemary. Oh, this is amazing. Perfect. There you go. Here, put some sea salt on the potatoes. Toss them a little bit. Chuck them over here. There you go. Voila! Mmm.